New Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been administered a low dose of insulin after his blood sugar level spiked, officials of Tihar jail here said on Tuesday. Kejriwal was given 2 units of low-dose insulin on Monday evening on the advice of AIIMS doctors, a Tihar official said. Gujarat. BJP's Mukesh Dalal on Monday got elected unopposed from the Surat Lok Sabha seat after all other candidates withdrew from the fray, the party's Gujarat unit chief C.R. Patil said on Monday. Surat has presented the first lotus to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I congratulate our candidate for Surat Lok Sabha seat Mukesh Dalal for getting elected unopposed, Patil posted on X, formerly Twitter. On the last day of withdrawal of the nomination forms on Monday, as many as 8 candidates, mostly independents and Pyarelal Bharti of Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, withdrew their papers. Notably, the candidature of Congress Nilesh Kumbhani from Surat seat was rejected on Sunday after the district returning officer prima facie found discrepancies in the signature of the proposers. The nomination form of Suresh Padsala, the Congress substitute candidate from Surat, was also invalidated. New Delhi, Aligarh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday reiterated that the Congress would snatch away the property of Indians if it came to power at the centre. Asserting that the grand old party believed in the politics of appeasement, the Prime Minister claimed this was the mindset of Naxals and communists. Rajouri. Security has been heightened, including the frisking of vehicles in Rajouri, after a man was shot dead by unidentified persons on Monday evening, police said. New Delhi. Yoga Guru Ramdev and Patanjali Ayurved Limited Managing Director Balkrishna on Tuesday told the Supreme Court that they have issued an unqualified apology in newspapers for the lapses on their part in the misleading advertisements case. A bench of Justices Hima Kohli and Asnuddin Amanullah asked their counsel to place the apology published in newspapers on record within 2 days. Vijayawada. The AICC on Monday announced the final list of candidates for AP elections, with 38 names for the assembly seats. Adilabad. A few girders in a portion of an under-construction bridge on River Maneru collapsed near Odedu in Mutharam Mandal in Peddapalli district on Monday night. There are no reports of any injuries. Hyderabad. Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy on Monday alleged that opposition parties had hatched a conspiracy to topple the Congress government as they are unable to bear the successful implementation of 5 out of 6 guarantees within 100 days of coming to power.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.